Well, the books are here. Need to take a pen and an eraser.
Bossy, where are you going?
To school first and then to the training.
All over again. Why go anywhere if all tutors come here to our house?
And bring cocoa cookies. Oh! I'm so tired of them. I want to be normal and go to school like others do.
Yep, good luck.
Oh!
Bossy, in 4 minutes your English tutor is waiting for you in the hall.
But I'm going to school right now.
Oh well, first of all, it's holidays in usual schools. What? And we have to study? So unfair. And secondly, darling, you're a Duchess and your education is the best in this country.
I don't want to. I mean, I want to, but like anyone else to go to a normal school.
But I said no. Honey, let's go. They ask for you on the phone.
Thank you, I'm already coming. Daddy, Mom doesn't let me be like others. I don't even have normal friends. Don't get hurt, Stinky.
Okay, spend the whole day today the way you want to. Well.
Dad, you are the best. And what are we going to tell Mom?
No worries, I'll think about it.
I'm so happy. Where is my phone? Okay, I'm off.
Good luck.
I can't believe my eyes. And who is going to the tutor instead of her? Kids, the tutor is here. Calm down.
Seems like it's you, Lasha. I always have to cover for her.
Hello? Anyone here? Where is everyone? And no one under the staircase?
Hello.
Oh, why scare me this way?
So what are you looking for here?
I came here to school.
Yep, I already noticed it.
Well, where is math cabinet here? Show me on the map.
Is there a map in our school?
As you can see.
Seems like Angarina Borisovna started a quiz. Want to participate?
I simply adore quizzes. Of course, let's go.
Divide into 2 teams, please.
Pop-Heart, join us. Why are you standing over there? Oh, but I wanted to be with boys.
Hey, but then our team will be lacking boys.
Hello, can I join you?
Of course, Scribbles needs friends. Hello, Louis. Is this girl at least smart? Don't even know. I know her only for 5 minutes. Oh, sad news. The first question. What to do if you see a green humanoid?
I know the answer.
Then press on the button, Pop-Heart. The first team, your answer.
Call the UFO hunters.
Oh, it's wrong. The second team?
Cross the road, as it means traffic light.
Whoa! And this is the right answer.
Yes.
Pop-Heart, you lost it.
What? I heard about it on the radio.
The next question. Which tree a bird cannot sit on during the rain?
Think. The answer is already close.
This time questions are difficult.
But of course.
Second team, your answer.
On a dry tree. How silly.
And it's right. 2 versus 0. Yeah, we are winning. And the final question. How to write the word mousetrap in 5 letters?
I know the answer.
Welcome, Google.
My answer is scoop.
I'm really curious. Who can catch mice with a scoop? It's wrong.
Then the answer is kitty.
Right, and the winner is the second team. Boss, you're so smart. Yep, you're our hero.
Oh, come on, guys.
And the losing team washed the classroom. What?
Angelina Borisovna, no.
And all the rest, follow me for a walk outside. Louis, follow me.
I'll be only a minute.
Go ahead.
You are very worthy opponents. I was so happy to play with you. What? Because of you, I have to wash the floor. Oh no, it's my dress. Haha, wish you a nice walk outside.
Bossy, how are you? Here, take the wipe.
I have to go and change clothes, but they can make me stay at home.
And let's go together, and this way you won't have to stay home.
You left home without asking, skipped the tutor training, and got so dirty. Mom, we won in a school quiz.
With a lopsided score 3-0. And who are you, boy?
I'm Louis,
your daughter's best friend. If you don't know it yet.
Well, Bossy, you stay home, and you are grounded. No, Mom, please no.
And you, neighbor Louis, go away and never visit our house again. You know what? I won't give up.
What have you said? Mom, you scared all my friends again. Bossy, my girl.
No worries, honey, everything will be fine. So how was it all, sis? Tell me.
I made cool friends, won in a quiz, and even had arguments with girls.
And it all happened while I was studying English?
And while I was chewing cookies? Life really burns out there, not like in our palace. And perhaps I got a boyfriend.
By the way, that guy left a note for you.
What? Give it to me. See you at the place in 20 minutes. What? Tell me you are not going. Of course I am. Where is my phone? Lush, have you seen it?
Is it what you are looking for, honey?
Mom, give it back to me, please. Some Louis is calling you.
Is it him that you're about to see?
I'm going for a walk with guys.
Well, okay. What? But only in my presence.
As if I'm a little girl. What a shame.
Girls, carefully play with the babies.
We are not playing. We only need their shovels.
Bossy, don't go far away and don't spoil your dress.
Okay, Mom.
Wow, it's so cool that you came here. And is she your mom?
Yes. She also wants to walk in fresh air.
Olga Stepanovna, great. Your daughter is simply brilliant.
Excuse me? She won in the school quiz and I want to send her to the International Olympiad.
Oh, really? Such an honor. Seems like your mother is proud of you.
Oh, come on. It's not her style.
And who is the most brilliant pupil at school?
Dad, keep silent.
We talked to Mom and decided that you can study at a usual school too.
Really? I dreamt about it so much.
Yes, dear daughter. Sorry for being doubtful about you. And a sweet present is waiting for you at home. Wow, such great luck. The second series of Hair Goals Girls. It's a great present from parents. Unzip to open it. The clue has a tiny pixie and pink scissors. And it says Pixie Cut, the hairdo of a pixie. I hope her hair is super beautiful. Take out the collector's list. Wow, this time the case is of blue color. I haven't gotten anything like this before. And I start to open all surprise packets. So what is inside the first one? Oh, such shoes! Just look at them, guys. White socks and so trendy. And the shoes are coral in color. Such a nice tint. It's interesting which accessory is inside the next surprise packet. Oh, it's glasses with such strict black frames, with dark lenses. Seems like the dough adores lying in the sun. Now let's see what is hidden in the hair roller. Wow, such a bottle! Let's look at it closer. Wow, it's transparent! My eyes! I've never got anything like this before. Look, it even resembles a kettle. In this hair roller, some wonderful surprise is hidden for me. Oh no, it's a usual hair comb. Though its color is not simply black, but with some tint, as if it's silver. And I have one more secret surprise packet. Oh, it's clothes! Wow, such a cool suit, guys! Something tells me that it's boy inside here. Such a cool leather jacket with silver snap buttons. Oh, and the belt is also of black color. And down here it's pants stylized like jeans, with such folds here. Simply super trendy look. Is it really a boy inside it? Let's open it right now. Wow, really? Look how cool he is. And this cool white lock up here. And the hairdo itself, just look, it's rolled into some cracknel. Just look how cool shaven his back of the head. And the temples are. A very beautiful print, so soft and so finally springy. Hey, come on, take me out of this dragon case. A minute, please, I'll help you. There is even some print on this boy. Wow, it's a tiny white shirt and 2 tattoos on his arms. The word mom is on his right arm and 2 dice on the left arm. Now I'm going to throw 2 6 ones. According to the print on the shirt, seems like it may change color. You'll check it out at the end of the video. Then let's put on your clothes. And up here the short with jacket. And the wonderful sport shoes on your feet. And your accessory will be helpful during hot weather. Take this transparent bottle. Give it to me. And now let's check out how you can change color. Plunge you into cold water. Exactly, just look guys, how cool his shirt changes color. Now it's not just white, but striped with black lines, as if it's striped west. And there is a tiny dot on the boy's cheek. What is it? A teardrop? My eyes! Put a like and subscribe to our channel.